find A, the cross-sectional area of the girder shown in figure A, and B, the area of the path shown in figure B below. So you are once again welcome to my channel. So I will be solving this question today. So figure A is the girder, okay, and it's having three separate rectangles. We have rectangle A, rectangle B, and then rectangle C. And we are to find the area of the girder, okay. All right, so let's move on with the solution. So let's find the area of rectangle A. So the area of rectangle A, this is rectangle A, okay, and it's equal to what? 50 by 5. So the length is what? 50, and then the breadth is what? 5. So the area of rectangle A is equal to what? 50 times 5. That is the length times the breadth. 50 times 5, and that is going to give us what? 250 millimeters square. Area of rectangle A is equal to what? 250 millimeters square. All right, so let's move on to find the area of rectangle B. So this is rectangle B, okay, in the yellow color, rectangle B. So rectangle B is having the breadth of what? 6 millimeters. The breadth of what? 6 millimeters. So what is the length of rectangle B? All right, so when you look at the side of the girder, the full length of the side is what? 75 millimeters. So to find the length of rectangle B, we subtract 5 millimeters, that is from this point to this point, and then 8 millimeters, that is from this point to this point, from 75 millimeters. And that is going to give us what? The length of rectangle B. You understand? So we have 75 minus 8 minus 5 times 6, okay, and 75 minus 8 minus 5 is going to be what? 62 times 6, and that is going to be 372 millimeters square. So the area of rectangle B is what? 372 millimeters square. I hope you are following it. So let's find the area of rectangle C. So this is rectangle C, and the green color rectangle C, and it's having the length of what? 70 millimeters, and then the breadth of what? 8 millimeters. So we have 70 times 8, and that is also going to give us what? 560 millimeters square. So the total area of the girder is going to be 250 plus 372 plus 560. So 250 is the area of rectangle A, and then 372 is the area of rectangle B, and then 560 is the area of rectangle C. So the total area of the girder is equal to what? 250 plus 372 plus 560, and that is going to be 1182 millimeters square, or 11.82 centimeters square. I hope you understand. Okay, so let's move on. So this is figure B, and we are to find the area of the path. So area of the path is equal to the area of the large rectangle, which is in the red color, minus the area of the small rectangle, which is in the yellow color. I hope you understand. Area of the large rectangle, which is in the red color, minus the area of the small rectangle, which is in the yellow color. Okay, so the area of the large rectangle is what? 25 by 20. The length is what? 25 by the breadth, which is what? 20. So we have 25 by 20 minus the area of the small rectangle is also what? 21 by 16. That is, the length is 21, and then the breadth is what? 16. So how did we get that? From the figure, from this point to this point is what? 2 meters. And then this point also to this point is what? 2 meters. So when you add, we are going to get what? 4. So when we subtract 4 from the length of the large rectangle, we are going to get what? 21. 25 minus 4 is 21. So the length of the small rectangle is what? 21. When it comes to the breadth, from this point to this point is what? 2 meters. From this point also to this point is also what? 2 meters. So when you add, we are going to get 4. So when you subtract 4 from the breadth of the large rectangle, which is 20, you are going to get what? 16. So the breadth for the small rectangle is what? 16. So that is what we have here. 21 times 16. That is the length times the breadth. Okay. All right. So 25 by 20 is what? 500. Minus 21 by 16 is also what? 336. So when you subtract 336 from 500, we are going to get what? 164 meters square. So the area of the part is equal to what? 164 meters square. Thank you so much for watching the video, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.